Yeah, it's strangely spacious up here. Hello. 790. Now, I have showed you inside this vehicle a proper tour, and if you want to see that, go ahead, click the link below, and then come on back. Today I'm going to be showing you the beds in this vehicle, so a few additional things on the bed up above, and then how the fifth berth is made up. So first thing first, for the fifth bed, you're going to use the table, and your table needs to be in kind of the landscape. You then reach for the lever down here and push. To make things a little bit easier for you as the viewer, I have taken away the other back pillows just because we don't need them. You don't need them whenever you're making up your sleeping arrangement. And I have gathered up the infill pillows. Now, it's up to you, personal preference, where you want to store them. Some people store them in the garage under below. Some people leave them down the back of the vehicle. So for this one, you just pop the little button and up come the legs. And this helps stabilise the whole bed whenever it's built. This table part then goes between that gap that you can see there. So the legs will come down, lift your pillow, and the metal part will then slot in. So as you can see, that's nice and snug now, and this pillow can then come back down. The final infill pillow, completing your bed. And there you can see that was really simple, really quick to get completed. It is solid. That I just put that in there, and now you see that I'm just lying down here. Now let me show you a few things about the bed above me. So above me is the drop down double bed, and it just comes down easy peasy, no problem. This is very standard when it comes to an A-class. You know, you have a nice large double bed and lots of space. What isn't standard that I think is really quirky and really unique, if you don't want someone being in the back, unable to get out and access the toilet in the middle of the night, you can turn these in to two singles on either side. Yeah, it's strangely spacious up here. It's kind of nice having my bed. I'm pretty sure this is larger than my bed at home. There we have it. That was the beds in a brand new Hymer A-Class. If you'd like to see inside any other vehicle, if you want me to show you anything else, please drop a comment, let me know, and I am more than happy to show you, and I'll see you in the next video.